children, welcome to the maths class. Last class we learned lesson number 1. Today we learn lesson number 2. Find the differences. Find the differences. Our aim is subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Examples here. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. How many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus. We have to take out. Take away. How many are there now? Fingers? 4 fingers. Right? 4. Yes. This is in the horizontal way. We can write in the vertical way also. 5 minus 4. Same answer will come. Yes. 5 minus 1. Sorry. 5 minus 1. 4. Yes. Next. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 4. We have to take away 4. What is the answer? Yes, 0. 6 minus 2. How will draw? We'll draw the picture or we can draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many circles we draw? 6. How many we have to take away? 2. 1, 2. Now count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? This is in the horizontal way. Now we'll write in the vertical way. 6 minus 2. Our answer will come same. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many we have to take away? 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. If suppose 2 minus 6, can we do subtraction? No. We cannot do subtraction from this. See here. We can take away smaller number from a bigger number. But not a bigger number from a smaller number. Open your reader, page number 58. Find the differences. The differences is the answer that we get when we subtract. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. The answer is 2. 2 is the differences of 8 and 6. Example. I have 6 balls. I give 3 balls to my friend. How many balls are left? Again I will read. See here. I have 6 balls. I give 3 balls to my friend. How many balls are left? 6 balls are there. And 3 balls we removed. 6 balls and cross out 3 balls. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. One more. There were 5 books on the table. 2 books were taken away. How many books are left? 5 books was there. 2 books cross out. Taken away. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 3. Very good. Now open your workbook. Open your workbook. Page number 44. Write the date as to find the differences. Bit 1. Draw the biscuits. Find the differences. Bit A. Your plate is there. In this plate, biscuits are there. How many biscuits are there? 8. Okay. And cross out 2. Our answer is 6. Now, next one. Bit B. 6 minus 2. So, we have to draw biscuits. Biscuits in circle we'll draw. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Bigger number is 6. Now how many we have to cross out? 2. 1, 2. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. Yes, children? Now, bit C. Empty plate is there. We have to draw biscuits. How many biscuits we have to draw? 6. Again we have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many we have to cross out? How many we have to take away? 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our remainder answer is 5. Yes. Now 6 minus 1. Same thing. 6 minus 1. 5. Yes. Very good. Now bit 2. Find the differences. Bit A. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to draw 3 circles. Then we have to cross out 3. How many are left? Nothing. So we have to write 0. Now 3 minus 3? 0. Yes, children? Now 4 minus 2. What do we have to do? We can draw a circle or standing line. We'll draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we have to take out? 2. We have to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2. Our answer is 2. This is the slipping way. This is in the vertical way. Horizontal and vertical way are there. 4 minus 2. What is the answer? Same answer we'll get both the way. Okay. Very good, children. Now bit 3. What is bit 3? What is 9 minus 3? Dash. Write the addition fact related to it. 9 minus 3. Subtraction sign is there. You can draw circle or you can say the backward numbers after 3 till 9. 3 after which number will come? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there here? 5 fingers, 5, and our answer is 6. Yes. Now we'll this one. Write the addition fact related to each. We have to write addition fact. Okay. Now we'll write 3 plus 6 is equal to dash. What we have to write? Plus sign. Means which is the bigger number? 6. 6 in the mind. 3 fingers up. After 6, 7, 8, 9. We got the number 9 answer. Yes. Very good, children. Now open your classwork. Open your classwork. Write the date. Write here. Bit 2, na? Bit 1 over. Now bit 2. Find F-I-N-D. Find the differences. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Okay. Now bit A. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. How will write now? What I tell you? Subtraction sign. We have to backward counting till 8 from 2. 2 after which number will come? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count now. 5, 6. Yes? 5 fingers and 1 finger is here. What is the answer now? 6 is equal to 6. If you want to know our answer is correct or not, see here. 6 in the mind, 2 fingers up. After 6, 7, 8. Our answer is correct. The both way. Okay. Now B. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to, what we have to do? After 6 we have to count backward counting. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is, yes, 4. Bit C. 9 minus 3. Yes. If you don't want to count with backward counting, you can draw circles and you can do it. Okay. But see here. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? Yes, 5 and one more is 6. Our answer is 6. Now bit D. 5 minus 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 4. Bit E. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4? Nothing. 0. F1. Bit F. Leave one line, leave one box and you can write. You have to write, okay? Write neatly, but F1. 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. Yes, our answer is 6. Very good. 7 minus, okay, after F, G will come, no? Hit G. 7 minus 4 is equal to 4 after 5, 6, 7. 3. H2. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Yes, after 3, 1. After 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 2. Yes, children? Very good. You have to send it in the WhatsApp group after completing your classwork and workbook.